Salt solution consists of following ingredients. In physiological salt solution, the following ingredients are present: sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, magnesium sulfate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium dihydrogen phosphate, potassium dihydrogen phosphate, glucose and distilled water. These are the ingredients of your physiological salt solution. Now, what are the uses of each and every ingredient? Let us see one by one. First one, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is used for isotonicity, isomolarity, contractility and excitability. आपण सोडियम क्लोराइड का यूज करतो फिजियोलॉजिकल मध्ये? तर आयसोटोनिक सोल्युशन तयार करण्यासाठी, प्रॉपर कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन अँड प्रॉपर एक्साइटेबिलिटी. If the solution is not isotonic, समजा hypotonic solution झालं, then the cells are going to shrink, and if the solution is hypotonic, then bursting of the cell is going to take place. Therefore, always remember that the physiological solution should be isotonic. Isotonic means the solution having same atmospheric pressure as that of body fluid or that of blood is known as isotonic solution. Sodium chloride to have proper contractility and excitability of the isolated tissue or organ. Potassium chloride is used to provide ionic balance. Calcium chloride to provide contractility. Magnesium sulfate is used to stabilize the preparation. Sodium bicarbonate is used to provide alkaline medium. Sodium dihydrogen phosphate or potassium dihydrogen phosphate, they are used as buffers. Glucose, it is used to provide energy, and distilled water is used as a vehicle. There is a very simple method of preparing your physiological salt solution. As per your required quantities, weigh all the ingredients required for that physiological salt solution. In a beaker, take 2 beakers. In one beaker, you will add all the ingredients except sodium bicarbonate. एका बीकर मध्ये तुम्ही सगळे इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऍड करणार अदर देन सोडियम बायकार्बोनेट सोडून, and then at the last add distilled water. Quantity is sufficient. In the second beaker, you will take required quantity of sodium bicarbonate and distilled water. Sodium bicarbonate and calcium chloride, if both of them remain for a longer period in a solution, there are chances that precipitate of calcium can be formed, that is calcium carbonate may get formed if sodium bicarbonate and calcium chloride are kept for a longer period together. त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे की आपण एका बीकर मध्ये सोडियम बायकार्बोनेट सोडून सगळे इंग्रेडिएंट्स डिस्टिल वॉटर सोबत डिसॉल्व करा. दुसऱ्या बीकर मध्ये सोडियम बायकार्बोनेट डिस्टिल वॉटर मध्ये मिक्स करा. ज्यावेळेस तुम्हाला ऍक्च्युअल रिक्वायरमेंट असेल, ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिकल परफॉर्म करणार आहे, त्यावेळेस दोघं इंग्रेडिएंट्स मिक्सअप करा. कारण की जर सोडियम बायकार्बोनेट आणि कॅल्शियम क्लोराइड दोघं जर एकत्र लॉंगर म्हणजे जास्त वेळ जर राहिले तर कॅल्शियम कार्बोनेट तयार होण्याचे चान्सेस असतात, आणि कॅल्शियम कार्बोनेट जर झालं, अ ब्लॉकेज मे बी क्रिएटेड व्हेन इट इज पास थ्रू isolated froth heart and your practical may fail. Therefore, you have to take this precaution while preparing your physiological salt solution. Now, these are the various physiological salt solutions, and their composition is variable. The quantity is also variable. Now, see, Frog-Ringer solution, Ringer-Lock solution, and Dijalon and grapes. These are the 4 types of your physiological salt solution. Ingredients are same: sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, magnesium sulfate, sodium bicarbonate, sodium dihydrogen phosphate, potassium dihydrogen phosphate, glucose and distilled water. The quantity of every ingredient is given in grams per liter, that is quantity sufficient up to 1000 ml. If I consider Frog-Ringer solution, Sodium chloride required will be 6.5 gram, potassium chloride 0.14 gram, calcium chloride 0.12 gram, magnesium sulfate is not present, sodium bicarbonate 0.2 gram, sodium dihydrogen phosphate 0.008 gram, potassium dihydrogen phosphate is also absent, glucose 2 gram. In this way, these are the quantities. What is the difference? Magnesium sulfate is only present in Krebs solution, while sodium dihydrogen phosphate is present only in Frog-Ringer solution. Potassium dihydrogen phosphate is absent in Frog-Ringer solution, Ringer-Lok solution and Dijalon solution, while it is present in Krebs solution. This was about a short practical about your Frog-Ringer solution. Thank you.